to tutorial days, and in this video you are learning ES6. In the last video you learned what is ECMAScript and what are the other languages which are derived from ECMAScript. In this video you will learn what is difference between var, late and const. In this chapter you will learn what is var, const and late keywords, and where and when these keywords are used. Var keywords has been used since JavaScript was born, but late and const are two new keywords which are added later in ES6. First we will see const keyword. As you know from this you can understand the const, that is the stored form of constant, which is static. So first let's see, if you declare, and if you know the basic of JavaScript, you might be knowing that we declare the JavaScript with var keyword. So let's take this example. If you declare var language equal to JavaScript and var language once again with Java, that means if the variable name is same, language and language, this is the variable name which is same, and if you assign first JavaScript and later just I added Java, in that case if you console log or document.write with this, then you will get this output Java. So what happens here is, its name suggests variable, that means the value can be changed during the program execution. So first its value was assigned this JavaScript, but when we once again declare the same variable with the name Java, that means this variable is now overwritten by the previous one, and the current variable will contain Java, not JavaScript. That is why it is called variable. That means its value can change during program execution. Now let's see what happens in the case of constant. On the contrary, if you want to keep the value the same and don't want to overwrite, then keyword const is used for that. Now let's check this example. Const language JavaScript, const language Java. Then if you declare with the same name, then you will get this error, language, this keyword is already declared. So let's take this example. Here I'm declared const 100, const x 200. So here you can see the variable x, and here also the variable x two times we are trying to declare, but in this case you will get an error saying that const cannot be declared second time. So this is my code. Here in the output you will get here const.html, what in uncaught error identifier x has been already declared. That means you cannot redeclare any const value again. So that is the main difference between variable and const. Now let's see what the late keyword is. Late keyword is declared normally inside any blocks, so its value exists within the block. For example, here in this example, if you declare a equals to b, then late a 10, so this value 10 will exist within these curly braces only. Within this curly braces its value will exist. If we try to access this value outside, then its value will not be accessible. Even it's accessible, but if we declare the same name above also, so the above value will take not this inner one. So that is the difference between late, const and var. Now let's understand with real-time example. Here this is the script. The first time we are putting 10, then this is the var. This value will be available globally. So wherever we want, we can access this value, the value of a, when you declare var. Okay, now I'm checking here if var equals to 10, which is true because its value currently is assigned 10, then again we are declaring here with the same name A2. So if it were var rather than const, then what would happen? Here the a value will be overwritten, but in this case a value is not overwritten, rather it is creating a new instance. Okay, so this case now a equals to 2 will be there, and here a equals to 10 will be here in the above case. Now if we try to access here document.getElementById result, which we are catching here, then inner HTML, then this will be assigned here and the output will be 2. But again, if we try to access the value outside of this block scope, we are trying to access same a. Okay, so theoretically it should have been that the value of this should have been shown, but no, the value will not show this one, rather this value 10 will print, because the scope of this a is limited, confined to this block only. So what you learned, let is used in a specific block where is global, and const, the difference between const and var is that variable can be redeclared, and the output shows the last one, because the first one is overwritten here, but in case of const the same name variable cannot be declared in the case of const. So hope you understand the difference between what is const, what is a late keyword, and what is var keyword. So that's it in this video. In case you have not subscribed my channel so far, I strongly recommend you to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to press bell button so that in case I put a new video, it will directly reach to you. So thanks for watching and stay connected. We are going to record a third video which will be related to this. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.